In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WP Travel Engine for free, step by step, and guide you through the process of setting it up seamlessly. Let's dive right in and get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, make sure you're logged into your WordPress account. Our first task will be installing WordPress if you haven't done so already. Once you're in, navigate to your hosting setup. WP Engine, for instance, is a fantastic choice. You'll then proceed to install WordPress, ensuring everything is set up for your travel engine functionalities. Next, you'll want to install the WP Travel Engine plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and select Add New. In the search bar, type in WP Travel Engine, and when it appears, proceed to install and activate it immediately. Once that's done, you can move on to the essential settings for the plugin. Navigate to WP Travel Engine and click on Settings. Here, you'll configure your basic settings, including currency preferences and the date format. Also, don't forget to set up email notifications for bookings to stay on top of your operations efficiently. Once your settings are configured, it's time to add your first trip. On the dashboard, click on Trips and then select Add New. This is where you get creative. Upload your trip title, fill in the description, and add images, set the price, and outline the duration of the trip. Don't overlook assigning a destination or trip category, as it helps in organizing and optimizing your listings for potential tourists. After crafting your trip, it's time to showcase it to your audience. Publish your trip to make it live on your site. Next, we're moving on to the booking form aspect. WP Engine provides a free version of this form by default. However, if you wish to enhance your booking interface, you can integrate Contact Form 7 as an alternative for more advanced options. Optional, but highly recommended, insert the shortcode WP Travel Engine Search on your homepage. This introduces a search bar that enhances user experience by providing visitors with an efficient way to discover trips. Once you've set up your trips and booking process, give it a test run. Visit your site, select a trip, hit the Book Now button, and present all necessary information seamlessly. Moreover, leverage the power of additional free tools to boost your website's capability. Consider using Elementor Free for flexible page designing and Flamingo for capturing form submissions efficiently. Once your travel site is operational, the subsequent steps involve enhancing and integrating it with further WP Engine capabilities. Initiate by logging into WP Engine's dashboard. If you haven't already created a site, head over to their interface, add a new site, and enter a site name. WP Engine offers options to choose between a production environment for live sites or staging for testing. Opt for your preferred environment and let WP Engine set up WordPress automatically. Access your WordPress admin through the WP Engine dashboard. Choose your desired site template and theme via the Appearance section. Additionally, add any supplemental pages, plugins, or content needed to fulfill your site's requirements. Lastly, if you aim to connect your domain, go through the Domain section to add your domain and update DNS settings to point to WP Engine's IP. With all these steps covered, your travel website is now up and running, ready to attract and serve travel enthusiasts far and wide. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more step-by-step guides. See you next time.